Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a WhatsApp call link. Now let's begin. Do note that I have installed WhatsApp in my laptop device and I have opened the application, and you can also do the same from your mobile device as well. Right here, at the left side of the screen, there are many options like chats, calls and everything, but right now what you need to do is simply click on this calls button right here, and something like this will open up. From here, it's gonna simply show you something like create call link. Just click on it right here and something like this will open up. Right here, it's showing something like call type. Initially, it's on video. You can select it and change it to voice as well. Once everything's done, simply hit on the copy link and send it to your friend. Do note that you can also send link via WhatsApp. That's it for the video guys. That's how you create a WhatsApp call link. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.